Uh, Hello students, this is Ankita Berde. Once again welcome you all on my YouTube channel. We are started this series for the pharmaceutics MCQ winter 2023 examinations. So in the previous part 1, we had seen the some MCQs on the historical part, that is on the IP, editions of the IP, then USP, national formulary. Then now see, we will continue with the further MCQ. In the first part, we had seen about the 20 MCQs. Now we will move towards the remaining. In that, now see the carefully first MCQ. What is the full form of MDI? MDI is nothing but the metered dose inhaler. In the chapter, that is nasal formulations are there, nasal and ear preparations and nasal drop. You had gone through this, and in the practical you had also gone through these inhalers. So MDI, it is the metered dose inhaler. So there are the many options are there. You can see metered dose inhalation, metered drug indigestion, metered drug infusion. So the correct answer, it is the metered dose inhaler. Then now see next question number 22 MCQ. Every dosage form, okay, is any, means if suppose tablet is there, capsule is there, syrup is there, solution is there. So every dosage form, it is a combination of drug and the different types of the non-drug components in that dosage form are there. So what is that non-drug components? Non-drug components, these are the nothing but additives. Additives means what? Additives, or you can say it the pharmaceutical aids or excipients, means they doesn't have any therapeutic value, they doesn't show any therapeutic effect, but they are used in the formulations because to make that formulations compatible with each other. सो त्याला काय म्हणतात तर ॲडिटिव्ज म्हणतात. ॲडिटिव्ज किंवा एक्सिपियंट्स म्हणतात किंवा फार्मास्युटिकल एड्स असं म्हणतात की ज्यांना काय नसतं, कुठल्याही प्रकारची थेरापॅटिक इफेक्ट जो काही आहे तो थेरापॅटिक इफेक्ट ते शो करत नाहीत, पण ते काय करतात फॉर्म्युलेशनमध्ये ॲड केले जातात कारण कॉम्पॅटॅबिलिटीसाठी, टू गेन दी प्रॉपर वेट ऑफ दॅट पर्टिक्युलर टॅबलेट्स और कॅप्सूल्स. सो प्रत्येक डोसेज फॉर्म आहे हे कॉम्बिनेशन आहे ड्रग आणि त्याच्यामध्ये डिफरंट काइंड्स ऑफ नॉन ड्रग कंपोनंट्स आहेत आणि त्याला ॲडिटिव्स असं म्हणतात. देन नाव सी सिम्पल सिरप. इट्स व्हेरी सिम्पल क्वेश्चन, very easy, much easier question. This question is already asked in the previous examination. Simple syrup, it is a saturated solution of what? Of course sucrose. syrup आहे, शुगर आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे? सुक्रोज आहे. There are many options, fructose, dextrose, none of these. Correct answer, it is the sucrose, because simple syrup, it is a saturated solution of the sucrose. See, MCQs are also there, and similarly these questions can be asked you as a one-liner question also. That is, you have to write down only the answer sucrose. In such cases, there are options may not be there. Options नसू शकतात तिथे. You have to just write down the answer, that is the sucrose. Then now see, in purified water, the concentration of the sugar according to IP, it is a 66.7% weight by weight. वॉटरमध्ये शुगरचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन आहे ॲज पर दी IP हे काय असतं 66.7% weight by weight. Then now see, the spatulation process is well suitable for mixing of which of the following powder. So the spatulation process, it is there. So it is suited for mixing of the that is the eutectic mixtures. So in this spatulation, that is powders are there, so that powders are mixes with each other. Then now see spatulation. Now see the capsules in which the powders are enclosed, that is the shell, capsule shell, which is made up of, above the shell which is present above the capsule, that shell, it is made up of the gelatin. there are the two types of the gelatin, type A gelatin and the type B gelatin. So the capsule in which that powders are enclosed, that is made up of the gelatin. Gelatinचा जो लेअर आहे तो gelatin लेअर बनलेला असतो. So there are the options: rice flour, fructose, dextrose. So gelatin, it is the correct answer. Then now see, one question is remain: which of the following is a eutectic substance? So eutectic substance, menthol, thymol, camphor, these all are the eutectic mixtures, means they are the evaporating when it is comes in contact with the air. So menthol, thymol, camphor, these all are of the eutectic substances. Then convenient method for mixing the redox substances, means redox is nothing but the, you had already seen in the chemistry, oxidation reaction and redoxation reaction. Redox is the substances which are undergo the reduction processes, oxidation reduction. So in that, a convenient method for mixing of the redox substances, so that method, it is known as the spatulation method. Then now see, Dutches are there. So Dutches are meant for application in the vaginal cavity. So these mainly Dutches which are used in the vaginal cavity. Then now see next MCQ, MCQ number 30. In females, the drug should be given very carefully. In which stages? So during the menstruation stage, during the lactation period, and during the pregnancy. So the in that all the cases, drug should be given very carefully, that is in menstruation, lactation and the pregnancy. So in this cases, in female, that drug should be given very carefully. So these are the some remaining MCQs we are seeing, that is full form of the MDI, it is metered dose inhaler. Then every dosage form, it is contains the drugs and different substances, that is the non-drug components, means these are the excipients, and that excipients are also known as a pharmaceutical aids, additives, and the excipient. These three names are there: excipients, pharmaceutical aids and additives. Then simple syrup. So simple syrup, it is a saturated solution of the sucrose. Then in purified water, the concentration of the sugar according to IP, it is a 66.7% weight by weight. Then spatulation process, it is suited for the mixing of the eutectic powder. Then which of the following is eutectic substance? So menthol, thymol, camphor. So all of these are the eutectic substances, means when they comes in contact with the air, so they are the evaporate. These substances are known as a eutectic substances. Then a convenient method for mixing the redox substances, it is a spatulation method. Then now see the next MCQ, capsules in which the powders are enclosed. So that shell of the capsule, it is made up of the gelatin, that outer shell, it is made up of the gelatin. Then Dutches, they are meant for application in the vaginal cavity. Then in females, the drug should be given very carefully in the menstruation stage, lactation stage and pregnancy stage. So all of these are the options. So this is the second part of the MCQ, and see along with the MCQ, these are the one-liner questions also. So see carefully, and if you like this video, then please press the like button. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe first and press the bell icon to get the latest updates of the upcoming videos. Thank you. Happy learning.